Are you looking for a professional and qualified plumber? Want to ensure that you get only the best service? Hiring a plumber is important, as they can help you avoid costly and nightmarish situations. We not only are licensed, bonded, insured, and stay consistent with training on new technology and equipment, but our service and your satisfaction is guaranteed. From toilet repairs, leaky faucets, installations, complex repairs, and everything in between, we are available to serve you for all your plumbing needs. If you want peace of mind knowing your home or office is in good hands for all your plumbing needs, give us a call today.